What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be going over a quick arrangement video for your tracks for library music. So first, it depends on what the library is asking for. They could say they want to change every 4 bars. They could say a change every 8 bars. But usually they want it to start out sparse, build up to everything, break it back down, build it back up again, and button end or sting in or ring out. Most of the time they don't say fade out. I usually do a button in because it just seems easier for me. But anyway, I'll show you what I do, show you how to arrange for each situation. Here we go. So we got a track loaded up here. This loop set, this construction kit is from the Dirty Trap and Hip Hop construction kit. From sounds.com. You can grab that on Monday, April 8th. So I'll let you hear this real quick. So if you want to arrange this for a library, like I said, they want you to change either every 4 bars or every 8 bars. So we can see here, this is 4 bars. You got the number 1 in Logic Pro. It'll make it pretty easy for you. 1, that's 2. You got the number 3 there, 4, and then there we go. We're done. So every 4 bars. And he wants you to start off sparse, build it up, bring it back down, and build it back up again and end it out with a button. So now I'm just going to copy everything, let's say 8 times. Okay, there you go. So that's done. Usually about 1.5 to 2 minutes. There we go, 1:59. Okay, we don't need to kick in the beginning at all. I'm just gonna hit delete. Take that out. Like I said, this video is a quick arrangement tutorial for music libraries. So I deleted that. Let's see, we don't need the bass in the beginning either. We'll delete that. We're gonna take this hi-hat loop out. We probably can take all of the snares out too, but I'm gonna leave this last snare in. Let's listen to it real quick. Right there, start off sparse. You got nothing in the beginning. Build up just a little bit to transition into everything is in there. Full track with all the sounds and everything is in there. Play it back one more time. Alright, there we go. So hi-hats are kind of loud. I'm going to turn them down. So there we go. Now for this particular one, to change every 4 bars, we're going to make it look a little different. So we got the full everything right here. This next 8 bar, the change we're going to add is a dropout of the melody sound. So we're going to take all of that out. Let's just drag the 808 out too. Just quick listen to that. Kick gone too. Everything gone. Matter of fact, let's do a slide on this and slow it down. I'm gonna slow that down right there. Alright, and then it should be empty right here. So we're gonna first start with taking this bass out. And this is alright. We probably don't need these hi-hats in there either. So let's put the bass back in right there. Sound good. One hi-hat at the end. Sounds good too. Do a quick listen. starting to build up. I'm gonna slow these. I'm gonna put those back in there and slow it down with the snare. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow them both up. Alright. There was some stuff missing out of here. I think it had a bell or something. Let me find this bell or trash. I know I got something in here. Nope, I don't need that. Let's see. A bell? Yeah, I got a bell and a crash. So I'm gonna drag this bell and crash in here. Crash. Oh, I got it right in there. Okay. Alright, cool. Just to add some more changes throughout the track. Because remember, it's supposed to change every 4 bars. So according to this, alright, we got the beginning empty, we got the full with everything in here. I'm gonna drag this over there to the first. We got 2. Alright, then on this one, we fade it out slow it down at the end. This 4 bars, we got the bass 808 going with the hi-hats going. This one here, 808 come back and half of the hi-hats are out, but we have the crash and bell in here. And then we're going to go with a fade out then. Hey, let's drop one more in there. Sure. Not a fade out. I'm sorry, a slow down. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. Change it up. Slow it down to everything get back in there. Bring this back to the next half. Alright, and then that was the change for that one. We brought it back up already. We took it down, brought it back up, and this is full. We're going to end it now. So we can leave that one the same. This one is at 1:30. And like I said, 1:30 to 2 minutes is really the end of it. So what I'm going to do is just cut this last out. Take that out. This one, we're going to take the kick out. And we're going to leave. Yeah, it's going to do melody by itself. No kick. I'll put those in there. So coming from nothing, sparse, build up, take it back out, build it back up again, and then we're at the ending now. So we'll start. Alright, so what you want to do is button the end up so you can pretty much, well, that's what I normally do. I'll do a button end, and that is pretty much saying the track is supposed to end now. It's like a conclusion to the track. So it's not like, the end of the loop stop or it faded out to no sound or whatever. It's like this is a purpose, intentional end of the track. And normally it end on the root note of the track. Well, you can see here, this is E minor. So I'm going to go back to the beginning and change the whole thing to E minor. Just because that's what we should do. And for the end of this, I'm going to take this loop I'm gonna cut this bass line. This bass note. And I'm gonna put it on the end. And I'm gonna cut some of these notes out of the pad. Let's find out. Okay, I like these two right here. Alright. Okay. What I'm gonna do is move this back halfway and copy this and move it to the end. Change that up a little bit and put this note on the end as well. And have it fade out. Real fade out this time. And that should do it. Play it back. Okay, that's just a quick arrangement for library track, library music. Quick arrangement, did a little change every 4 bar. Start with nothing, build it up, take it back down, build it up again, and end it. Alright, that's how you do it. I showed you change every 4 bars. Like I said, it all depends on what the library wants. If you got any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and peace out.